Hello friends, welcome to Ideal English tutorial. I am Monali. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. I have some friends at home. Today I will introduce them with you. Hello friends. I am Bholu. I am a dog. I am very brave. I eat biscuits, rice, bread and meat. I bark oof oof. I guard house at night. I love Monali. Monali also loves me.
Hello, I am Moti. I am a cow. I am very gentle. I moo. Hamba, hamba. I eat grass and leaves. I love Monali. Monali also loves me.
Hello, I am Tia. I am a parrot. I can talk. I can fly. I am green, but my beak is red. I eat fruits and grains. I love Monali. Monali also loves me.
Hello, I am Minnie. I am a cat. I am very smart. I mew, mew, mew. I drink milk. I eat fish and mouse. I love Monali. Monali also loves me. Hello, I am Ramu. I am a sheep. I bleed bear, bear. I munch green leaf. I love Monali. Monali also loves me.
So these are my friends. I play with them. I love them very much. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment and subscribe our channel